enroll into this exam, you will not only be getting the study material, but we will be giving you practice sheets and test series in which or with the help of which you can practice these kind of questions very well. Okay, moving to the next question. Again, you have to find out true mirror image of the figure that has been given to you. Let's observe and let's try to identify the elements first of all. Okay, there is one line which is touching the top part and the middle of the bottom line. Okay, this is one notable element that you have in the question figure. Next, if you look closely, you have 4 lines over here. Okay, let me change the ink color. Okay, you have 4 lines, meaning you have this one line, one, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so these are 2 elements that are easily identifiable to us. Let's see if we can eliminate the wrong answers based on these 2 first, and then we'll move on to the more complex elements if we are not able to solve by these one. Okay, so first of all, how should the triangle be? The triangle, after mirroring it, should be formed something like this. So option number 4 you can directly eliminate. Okay, next let's move on to this line. From the top to the middle of the bottom line, okay, top to the middle line, correct, top to the middle line, correct. So none can be eliminated based on this element. Next, these 4 lines that you have. So you have 4 lines here, you have just 3 lines here, so 2 eliminated, and you have 4 lines here, correct. Now we have to check something else so that we can eliminate one among option 1 and 3. Okay, now these 4 lines that are getting formed, it's not 2 straight lines crossing each other. Okay, this can be a straight line, but then this angle difference is there between the other 2 lines. So let's check for that. This seems like there are 2 lines completely intersecting, 2 straight lines completely intersecting each other. So option number 1 cannot be correct. Option number 3 is correct for this. Okay, now what did we discuss? You don't have to stop as soon as you get one correct answer. You have to check with the other elements also to be double sure. Okay, so let's check. You have one curved line over here. You have one curved line here, correct. You've already looked into the 4 lines over there, and then you have another line touching the middle part of this line and touching the middle part of this line. So correct, and then you have another line like this. So all the elements are exactly the same in option number 3. So that we can safely say that is the correct